Hi besties, so come spend Christmas with us. This Christmas, I went back to the village, cooked my stew, shared meals with friends and family, and celebrated love and life. This channel is about food and real moments, so come spend Christmas with us. My husband went to get gifts from the store that we're going to share with our friends and loved ones, and then we continue our journey. Say hi.
Hi.
So you guys, today is 2nd of January 2026. So I and my husband went to visit some of our friends from Kaduna who did a housewarming party. But you guys wouldn't believe that while I was there, my battery was down. So I just charged it into this car before I could catch up the few clips that I was able to catch. And we also left there early because there is this marriage that is going on in our neighbors. Oh God, is there a neighbor? Like our close family, not neighbor. And here in my husband's village. So that is why we left there so early, and we are going to that. We just stopped to buy something for the kids. My husband went to buy something for the kids, and yeah, that is basically it for today. Okay, you guys don't mind my oily face, but I'm still looking pretty. I'm wearing this two-piece. I'll carry you guys along. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay. So guys, we are back from the first event that we went to. We stopped at the house to give what we bought for the kids. The thing I just showed you guys in the last clip. Okay, so we are heading to the second clip, and I would like to carry you guys along. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, like, comment, and share. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinele, I'm a YouTuber based in Kaduna. So I want to have my breakfast. I'm getting dark in this village. I'm getting dark, but no problem. The heat is too much. NEPA have done us strong thing. Like since we came back, they'll be flashing the lights. We'll be burning Jane. But yesterday, because some people have left, yesterday was third. Many people have left village. They brought the lights yesterday evening. They took it this morning. Yeah, so let me show you guys my breakfast. I'm tired of eating rice, guys. This is porridge beans leftover from yesterday. So I fry plantain, and I'm having it with this two chicken. Today is Sunday. I've made Sunday stew. So guys, I've made Sunday stew. These two I put on top of this beans is stew I made this morning. Today is Sunday. And myself and my husband are going out. I just want to have my breakfast, take my bath, and yeah, we'll go out and I'll carry you guys along. This is brunch My second phone is off. This is past 12. I will just show you guys what the time is. See, it's not on it. It's down. Guys, come join me. Let's eat. You guys, the heat in this village, I told you guys that we were experiencing a lot of heat. The reason I have heat rashes all over my neck, and I have to apply this powder, but I didn't know that I applied it up to here. But after I helped me to apply it, you guys, we are heading to Enugu State, from Enugu village to Enugu town. So I would like to carry you guys along. Okay, please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. Bye bye. Guys, this ShopRite is so massive. This is Enugu ShopRite, like so beautiful, so big, bigger than the one in Kaduna. Like I can't believe my eyes, so big. Wow, so beautiful. Ah, how did too big though? Go. Okay. Hello. What? Okay. How long with this cake? Can get it to you.
This one is what?
First line, how much? 15. Second, 25. Last one, 30,000. I'm waiting for you. Excuse me, is it fresh? The cakes? I want this one. Give me this. But I'm not sure I like it. Blue.
The second line.
Yes. Give me pink. But I'm not sure I don't like anything pink. I'm going to tell you pink. I'm going to tell you how I like it. Or like the pink. Card. You have POS. You see? Happy birthday, Amarachi. Guys, this place is so massive. Like, I didn't even go around of this place. Like, it's so big. The shops here are huge. But this ShopRite is so different from the ShopRite in Kaduna State. Like, there's a place I wanted to see, but I couldn't get to see it. But we came to get cake, as you guys saw in the clip. We got ice cream and we got popcorn for the kids. Yeah, I know I'll definitely come back to this place, probably December. By the time we'll come back to this place, good afternoon. Like, this place is so massive, and I'll definitely come back to this place, guys. So yeah, let me go. One common thing in this is I noticed that in a big place like this in Kaduna, the security men rarely beg. But here, before you could give them something, they will be asking you for help. Guys, look at this thing behind me. I guess this is train. Train. Just for the kids to just for the kids to catch from. So fun. Hello. It's fun. Like, I was even telling my husband that I don't know, we should have come with our children. Honestly, this place is so fine. So big. We also bought ice cream apart from the cake. This is the biggest cup that they have there. We bought different flavors of ice cream, and we bought this ice cream for 25,000 naira. And we also bought popcorn, one milky popcorn and one sugar popcorn. And I said, let me have a taste of it before I reach home. So this is me testing it before I hand it over to my kid. Guys, we're here to visit my goddaughter. Like, look at the environment, so cool, so chilling, so everything. Ejima, say hi. Ejima, go hi. Hey, Ejima, say yeah, go hi. Hey guys, just got back now. I'm so tired though. I'm resting. Hi. Amarana, say hi. The baby. Boo Boo, say hi. Say happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Yeah. So guys, I need to rest though before I go take off my I want to say go take off my makeup. It's only this and I have. I need to rest before I go take my shower and, change my clothes. Bye.